The National Works Agency, NWA, says urgency has been placed on the resumption of work for completion of the Llandewey Bridge in St. Thomas. A visually impaired man recently broke his ankle while walking across the bridge. Jamaica Maitland has details.
An empty 5-gallon jug being used as a marker for the width of the Llandewey Bridge in St. Thomas. Ignoring it could mean ending up in a ditch or worse, the gully. Residents say the bridge has been this way for months.
We don't see no representative come to look on the bridge, to keep a tag towards the bridge, that a man drop over it, break him foot. You understand? This is totally foolishness.
TVJ News found him, 52-year-old handyman Teddy Scott, who uses a plastic chair as a walker. He fell into the ditch on July 27.
I walking at Llandewey at the bridge and fall and break my foot.
When was that?
Friday night, after the current go away.
Mr. Scott was taken to the hospital by residents. His right ankle is broken, making it difficult for him to move around and take care of himself. TVJ News learned that Mr. Scott, who is visually impaired, is very independent and does odd jobs in the community to make money.
Before I give me trouble, he said, like me do this, you know, it's in trouble, laugh, already just swim. So I need something to balance the weight.
The community has pitched in, assisting him with food items and now helping him with the odd jobs. But they're also angry, arguing that the fall could have been prevented.
Then just get man on road, so all the people that want to patch road and dig up the whole of the road and left it gone.
How long?
Look how long now.
Work on the bridge started in June 2023, but residents told us that it stopped about 3 months ago. Before then, work was also halted in November 2023. At the time, the National Works Agency, NWA, said it would have been completed in January of 2024. 7 months later, communications spokesman at the NWA, Stephen Shaw, says the agency has changed contractors since. The recent suspension was because of a change of scope for the project.
We need to do about 12 meters, an additional 12 meters of wing walls, because there has been, since the project was scoped and designed, further damage or erosion took place in this space.
As it relates to how soon that will be approved, he said urgency was placed on it just hours before we spoke on Monday. Construction materials have been used to fill gaping holes on both sides of the bridge to connect it to the road for ease of travel. However, the hurricane and subsequent heavy rains washed much of it away. The residents are worried.
This bridge should have done already. We can't cope with this no more, because the next thing that go happen there. You understand? So we don't like the bridge to completely now.
As for Mr. Scott's injuries,
The matter will be thoroughly investigated, and the project is still active. We're covered on insurance and all of that, so we'll deal with it.
Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.